All right, so welcome again to MG Sports TV, Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. Now, another milestone or historic milestone for former Reggae Girls head coach Hue Menzies. We're going to get into the details and tell you how big of impact this is to women's football again, and we're going to get into the details of it and what really happened. So, guys, do stick around to the end of the video. Smash that like button and most definitely hit that subscribe button. And I think you should turn on the notification bell as well to get the latest update on a continuous in regularity. Anyways, so let's get straight to it, people. That's what we're here to discuss. So let's get to it. So Gotham FC names Hue Menzies interim head coach. Interesting. Let's read into the article and see what the article is saying. 2 days after parting ways with Scott Parkinson, NJ/NY, Gotham FC has announced that Hue Menzies will lead the team on an interim basis for the rest of the 2022 National Women's Soccer League season. Menzies is the second black head coach, interim or otherwise, in NWSL history, both of whom were named to their posts on an interim basis in 2022. Seb Hines in a similar position with Orlando Pride. Menzies was named the 2018 CONCACAF Women's Coach of the Year after helping Jamaica qualify for the 2019 World Cup, a first for the country. Hugh is a soccer lifer and a true professional with a track record of success when it comes to building programs and developing players, said Gotham FC General Manager Yael Averbo, I think it's French, West in a team press release. He said, "I'm confident he will help our players reach their potential this season while we continue our coaching search." So this definitely will be done on how Hue Menzies performed throughout the end of the season. In the event that he galvanized the ladies and start getting some performance, I do think that he would be in the consideration of getting that job. But we'll see how this one really matriculates, because it's an interesting one. So maybe they want to just keep the floor open, letting Hue Menzies know that, hey, the job is not yours as yet. Let's see some performance. So they just said, hey, we're still looking. So he will be the one in charge. Let's continue. I want to thank Yale and ownership for giving me the opportunity to work with such gifted athletes, added Menzies. This is an incredibly committed team and there is still time left in the season to turn things around. I'm excited to get to know these players and help aid their progress any way I can. That's a big deal, people. That's definitely a big deal. He said Hugh owes a USSFA license, has a wide range of experience outside of the NWSL. He has worked in college soccer as an assistant at the University of Texas, co-founder the Lone Star Soccer Association in Austin, and has for the last decade been the executive director for the Florida Craze Crush Youth Program. 2 hours before the announcement, West spoke to reporters and said that an interim head coach would be named before Gotham's match on Sunday against Oil Reign, with Menzies' announcement afterwards. Menzies takes over the Gotham on a miserable run. Having lost 6 of their last 7 games, they have the fewest goals scored in the NWSL this season and have lost by multiple goals 6 times in 12 regular season games. While the chances of their returning to the playoffs are slim, Gotham would need to make up a 9-point gap in 10 games, improve performances as are well within reason for a team boosting USWNT regulars Midge Purse and Chrissy Mewis, as well as a preseason Golden Boot favorite in Ifoma. I won't pronounce the last name. But people, this is huge. This is a big deal, people. This is definitely a big deal. I view it as a big deal. Another historic move by Hue Menzies. He seems to be creating waves in the female aspect of football in Jamaica. So that is that's pleasant. That's really nice to see that He's doing so much work in women's football, and all the Reggae girls are showing their appreciation. If you look at their posts, all of them are putting up Hue Menzies picture on their Instagram, or the announcement on their Instagram, or even on whatever socials they have. This is a big achievement, and this is one that Jamaica should recognize and say this is a big move. We're talking about a historic achievement here, people. So congratulations, Hugh Menzies, and I really hope that you lead that team in a really good path and achieve the objectives that you might set out for toward the end of the season. And let's see how this one goes. Let's see if this can actually land you the head coach job this time around. But thank you very much, people, for tuning in. If you like this information, please do smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell, and share the content if you feel the need to do so. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV, we're out, people. Boom.